शो का नाम है हमारी वाली गुड न्यूज, तो डेफिनेटली इस शो में गुड न्यूज की बहुत बड़ी इम्पोर्टेंस है, और ये गुड न्यूज इस शो में मैं सुनाने वाली हूँ। सो एक गुड न्यूज तो इसने पहले भी सुनाई है, ऑब्वियसली रेणुका तिवारी मेरे कैरेक्टर का नाम है और इसके बच्चे हैं, लेकिन अब एक ऐसी सिचुएशन आती है लाइफ में जहाँ उसके बच्चों को जरूरत है कि वो उन्हें एक बच्चा दे, और कैसे वो अपने हस्बैंड के साथ मिलकर अपने बच्चों के लिए ये स्टेप उठाती है एंड शी गिव्स देम अ चाइल्ड, क्योंकि वो बच्चा नहीं कर पाते हैं। ये मेन क्रक्स और जो मेन जर्म है शो का वो ये है। See, there were too many things that I really liked at the first instance when I was called for the show. The whole vibe of the show is very nice. You know, the whole story is quite unique. And this character has too many layers. It's not that she's one, if she's a sass, she's only a sass. She's being a sass also in the character. She's being a bahu also in the character. You know, she has to be like that bahu who faces a lot of criticism. Then she has a husband. Her equation with her is different. Her equation with her son is different. तो ये एक ऐसा character है who is the spine of the family, who runs her family in a way which only she can run, because her family has भिन्न तरीके के लोग हैं इस परिवार में, and only Renuka is someone who can really keep them together and keep the family going. So not just this, but as a person, the way Renuka is and the way she handles situations, you know, she's not somebody who's very English speaking, she's not somebody who's very modern in the way she dresses up, but she's very modern from here, because to take a decision like this, ये यहाँ से आपकी सोच आधुनिक होनी पड़ती है, और हम यही दिखाना चाहते हैं कि सिर्फ कपड़े पहन लेने से आधुनिकता नहीं आती है, जो आपने कपड़े पहने उससे आप वेस्टर्न हो गए। हाउ यू थिंक really shows how progressive you are or no, and that's what this character is. इतना बड़ा स्टेप लेना अपने आप में एक बहुत ही बड़ा लोग क्या कहेंगे को असाइड रखकर सोचना है, और उसने ये लोग क्या कहेंगे वाले क्लीशे को, जब शी इज फ्रॉम आगरा, वो उसकी भाषा बहुत ही यू नो वहाँ की जो ठेठ भाषा होती है वैसी है, लेकिन फिर भी उसकी सोच जो है वो बहुत फॉरवर्ड है, और कैसे वो ये इतना बड़ा स्टेप लेती है, दैट्स ऑल about Renuka. So I really love the character and the way she is. See, initially she was shocked. The first thing she asked, is pandemic over? So I said, no, it's not over yet. Then I will not allow you to go. So I had to explain to her that we will take care of everything and all. But एक बार जब उसे समझा दिया, and I told her that I love the character. So she's a very sensitive child. I told her I love character, and very rarely it happens that you really like a character and you want to do it. I have said no to many shows during pandemic simply because nothing excited me enough to take the risk of stepping out of the house. But this character was something that I really liked from the first narration itself. And now Samaira is really looking forward to it. Like yesterday only she asked me that when is the show going to come on air, and I told her 20th October, and she said, and what's the date today? And I said 27th of September, and she was like, oh my god, so long, I have to wait. So for her it's like 1 month away I'll get to see the show. She's the first person who's going to sit in front of the TV for this show, and she's planning a premiere night and all that, so she's very excited. It's extremely difficult and different because you don't have to think before touching anything or sitting anywhere in normal times. You know, when you are at work, you sit together, you call for some food, you all eat together, you'll eat from each other's boxes, but all that is not happening now. We have our own cups, we don't even offer something to somebody else, nobody else offers something to us. So, you know, it's kind of a very distant feeling. It's not just a social distance, it just keeps you feel a little aloof, and I am somebody who really likes mingling with my units. I have always had great relations with all my co-actors, whoever I have worked with, and my relations, they do not just end with co-actors. I have great relations with my team, be it technicians, be it the production people, be it the director. So I'm so used to sitting, chatting, joking, laughing with all of them, which is not happening right now. So it's quite it's quite a thing which it'll take some time to adjust to. But then we all know that's the need of the hour, and we all are being responsible by doing it. So no complaints, just hoping that this scenario gets better soon, pandemic gets over soon, so we can be back to our normal shooting style when we all sit together and eat lunch together. See, I am taking steam for sure. After going home, I take steam before leaving from home. I'm drinking hot water at least 3 times a day. I'm taking vitamin C. After entering home, I don't touch anywhere. I straight go to the washroom. I first go take a shower, clean myself, throw the clothes in washing. I'm just trying to keep it as precautious as I can be. And I'm trying to keep my immunity levels up by not just taking vitamin C, but also by not eating anything which is not really good for health, like staying away from junk, eating only home cooked food, and all these kind of things. And sometimes, in fact, I told my daughter that once I start shooting regularly, I will wear a mask at home. I don't want to take that chance. So when I come home, at least I am wearing a mask, so that I do by 1% of chance also, God forbid, if I get it someday, I don't give it to you guys. So she was like, no, why should you also get it? You should also never get it. I said, of course, no one should get it, but I'm just saying that I want to be so sure that I'm going to be wearing a mask at home once I start shooting on a regular basis. So that's also one thing that I'm thinking of doing, so that at least I can hug her and kiss her freely. Otherwise, I always keep getting worried that what if. Kumkum itself, I had too many shades to play. From double role to taking a lead, going to dying and then reincarnating and playing an 18-year-old. I have done it all there. Then when it came to the point of playing in Shani, double role where I played a positive and a negative at the same time. And now in Hamari Wali Good News, a totally different side of a woman you're going to see. Yes, she's a homemaker. I have played a homemaker earlier, but she's totally different. When you will see Renuka, you will know that the layers that are there in this character are totally new for me as an actor. And the situation that I'm going to see and face in this show is something that none of my characters have seen earlier. So it's totally different for me. And there are some similarities, yes, in the sense that she's also a strong woman, but she's totally different. And she's very entertaining. That's what I love about her. She's too cute, too funny, very entertaining. Very difficult to get into Renuka's getup on my own, first of all. I really need help for this. But as an actor, it's very difficult to make one character take over another, per se. We have these boxes in our hearts where all the characters are archived once they're over. So there is no comparison between one character to another. Every character holds a very special place in my heart, and they're going to remain there. And then I start loving my new character. So right now, my entire focus is Renuka, and I'm going to be totally in Renuka's skin for this show now. Rest of my characters that I have played are always going to be in my heart the way they have been till now. Yes, please pray for the entire unit and everybody who's shooting, not just my show, but everybody, because everyone leaves their families at home and they go to work. So yeah, I hope and pray that we all stay safe.